to see if I can get it. It's all the way in. Nothing else. Roofing nail. Wow, wow, wow. Well, it's a sunny morning here in Kentucky, and I'm getting ready, and turns out I have picked up a nail in my tire. So Spike and I are going to repair it. All right, let's check the tire pressure. .38. Dead on. So it's not leaking. How am I going to get it out? No, it's I thought maybe I'd use a screwdriver first to see if I can get it. It's all the way in. Nothing else. Roofing nail. Wow, wow, wow. Oh, it's a good long one. Look at that. I have here my Dyna Plug system. So let's give that a shot. All right. That's enough. That's how it's supposed to work. That was actually easier than I thought. All right, I think it's done. Okay, it's an hour later, and you can see the plug is there. I'm going to cut it off in a second after I pour some water on it. So, there is no bubbles at all. It is holding. What a day. If it's going to get a flat tire, might as well be on a sunny day at a motel. Go forth with an open mind, and most importantly, an open heart. And remember, self-care is not selfish.